Fall is here, and with it, we're bringing all the fun fall cocktails, starting with an apple cider sangria. It is so easy to make. Let me show you how. Hey everybody, I'm Kelly with the Suburban Soapbox, and today we are making apple cider sangria. It is fall, and with it, I'm going to make the best fall cocktails, and this one is a hit with anyone who tries it. So let me show you how to make it. We are going to take one big plain pitcher and fill it with all of fall flavors. So we're going to fill it with some apples. I have both a Honeycrisp and a Granny Smith apple, and I just diced it up. You don't have to peel it, but if you're not into the peels, you can definitely take the skin off of your apple. And we're going to add some orange slices, and then frozen cranberries. So these are your ice cubes. You need to make sure that your cranberries are frozen. This is what's gonna make your drink cold. Oops, one got away. And to that, we're going to add some Grand Marnier, which is an orange liqueur, or you can use Cointreau, and about half a cup. A little bit more. And then your apple cider. If you want to get your favorite store-bought, store brand apple cider, you can do that, or you can make your own. I actually have an apple cider recipe that you make in the slow cooker, and it's so, so good. And then I'm going to add some champagne. You can use champagne, you can use sparkling wine. I have a sparkling rosé, just to mix it up. And this is so fun to make in the fall season. If you want to get a spiced apple cider that has the hints of cinnamon and nutmeg and all of those good flavors of fall, you can do that. You can actually add a couple cinnamon sticks if you like. And that's it. We're gonna give it a stir. And that's it. That's your sangria. Now I have to taste it, of course, to make sure it tastes great. Cheers. That is so fabulous. And see how easy that was to make? If you like this recipe, please be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. For more easy recipes, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. Thanks again.